Mustang. A 351 Windsor. Sponsored by Apple Valley Machine. Mike and Mick's Repair out of Tonasket. Diesel Repair. Gas Show and Gas Show. Just absolutely perfect. The guys got up at 8 o'clock this morning and put on about 10, 11 loads of water. $24,525.